Okay, so today I'm going to show you the chain stitch. It's called the chain stitch because it looks like a chain. If you want to step away from the plain back stitch or running stitch, the chain stitch is a lovely way to follow a line. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do it. The first thing you're going to have to do is come through from the back of the fabric and make sure you secure that extra thread here. Okay, and then come back through the original hole you came through, and then come back up. Use the finger at the back there to secure and guide your needle, and then here you go, you've got your first chain link. And what you're going to do next is going to make sure that you go over that thread so that it secures it in place. And you're going to repeat the exact same motion, making sure that this goes under your needle. There you go. Second link. And you keep repeating it until you are done. And when you get to the end, to secure your last link, you're going to go down but over the thread. And this is it. This is your chain stitch.